say oh wow. So to celebrate our big birthday, I am going to go around town and try to find the most wow-tastic ice cream for this wow-tastic place. Okay, so why don't you come along with me and we'll see what we can find around town. I don't think this is gonna work. Dairy Queen isn't gonna work either. So, I love all the ice cream places that I went to. Those are my favorite ice cream places. So that's why I wanted to see if they had some They do have wow-tastic ice cream, but a wow deserves something bigger. So I was thinking, why don't we use science to make ice cream? So I'm going to show you how to make ice cream. Alright, so if you want to make wow-tastic ice cream, you only need a few things. You just need some half and half, a fourth of a cup of that, a fourth of a cup of milk, half a cup of rock salt or ice cream salt. It's like the same thing. They sell it as ice cream salt. 2 cups of ice. Let's see, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and just a little bit of vanilla if your parents let you. And 2 bags. A little bag and a big bag. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my big bag, and I'm going to take my ice and just pour it in there. Now I'm going to set this in the freezer so it doesn't melt while I am making the rest of the ice cream. Alright, so while my ice bag is in the freezer, I'm going to take my little sandwich bag and I'm going to put my half and half or heavy whipping cream, whatever you have. Pour it in there. I'm going to take my milk and pour it in there. And then I am going to get my sugar and get 2 tablespoons of this. There's 1, 2. Alrighty. And I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla. And I'm just going to add a little bit of vanilla. Again, ask your parents if you can have this. Okay. It's supposed to be 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm just going to eye it. Yeah, that's good. Just a little bit more. Alrighty. And that is our milk mixture. And I am just going to make sure that it's tight. Most of the air's out of it. Alright. Now the fun part's coming up. Alright, so I got my ice. I'm going to add my half a cup of rock salt to the ice, just like that. And make sure that my milk mixture is sealed. Just put it in here. I'm going to seal our big bag. I'm just going to shake it back and forth. Here we go. We're just going to mix this for a couple minutes until it's like an ice cream texture. You know what? I'm going to save you the pain of watching me do this. We'll come back when it's done. Alright, so I shook this up for about like 7 minutes. See if this works. Alright, so I shook up my ice cream for about 7 minutes or so. Ooh, hardened a little bit there. Okay. Just going to squeeze it into my bowl. All right, happy birthday, oh wow.